My name is Darren Creed and I'm the curriculum head for hospitality, travel and aviation at Loughborough College, and I'm the current Craft Guild Chef Lecturer of the Year. The Radmoor restaurant is part of Loughborough College and now the Loughborough College group. We've currently got just short of 150 students with some diverse needs and a range of accessibility needs. It is a real challenge, but we rise it, and every single one of our students will have somewhere to go to at the end of the course. So we've got the kitchens from our hospitality team and we've got this fantastic cabin behind us from our travel team. It was something we felt was needed to bring the travel courses a little bit more modern. We've got all the Wrapmaster systems in the kitchen. We've got the 3000, we've got the 4500 and we've got the Duo. Having a Wrapmaster on your bench, on your section, allows them to work hygienically, allows them to work in line with the food safety policies, and we can just cling film, foil or parchment, anything we need per bench. Using the Wrapmaster systems, we are using a lot less film than what we used to do. It feeds into our sustainability policy, and that's good for the environment and everybody involved. Loose cling film, we all know, gives chefs bad tempers. It gets tangled up, it gets stuck. The Wrapmaster has eliminated that. That element of it is gone. Wrapmaster have been brilliant with us. We've been using just over 10 years now. It's the sustainability of it, the cost reduction and the cleanliness. The Wrapmaster having the blade which is hidden has been revolutionary. On the boxes, the blade used to be exposed, so that element has now been taken away. So any student or any chef who's got any accessibility needs, that's been fantastic. It's reduced or actually eliminated the risk of the cutting.
It's a lot easier for me with my one hand. It's just a lot more easier to just pull it out, over, under, tap, off.
It is easy and accessible for when I'm doing my competitions, and it is amazing for reducing waste.
I like to use Wrapmaster because it's efficient to use in the kitchen without much wastage.
It's really quick and easy to use to keep my section clean. And then I also use it in my part-time job as well, and it makes everything a lot easier.
I already recommend Wrapmaster to other chefs in the industry and in the education world as well. It has been fantastic for us. It's really good product.